In today's video, I want to guide you on how to convert your image from JPEG to PNG. This is very simple. So this video will cover two different styles or two different processes to convert your image from JPEG to PNG. Now take a look at this image here. This image is available in PNG. Now come back to this place, just move your mouse here, and then you're going to see that the image is in PNG format. So we're going to save this image in PNG in JPEG format using what is called Paint on our device. Now here is it. Now to save this as JPEG format, come to this button that says File, click on it, then click on Save As, then click on JPEG picture, click on it. Now a place you want to save this picture comes out like this. Then let's make it a new name, let's say picture, and it's going to be saved in JPEG. Click on save. Don't forget to save it on desktop. Click on it to save it on our desktop. So let's close this place and locate the picture on our desktop. You can see this has been saved in JPEG format, and the original picture is in what? PNG format. That's how to save any picture from JPEG to PNG format. Now let's try and save another picture from PNG to JPEG format. So let's locate this picture. Now is in, this one is in PNG format. We're going to open this one and save it as JPEG format. Right click on this particular one. This time I'm going to use another device or another software is going as photo on a device. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open like this. You have access to the file here, as you can see, and the size of that file is what you see here. Now to save this as PNG, don't forget this one is in JPEG. To save it as PNG, come over to these three dots here, click on it. Now move to resize image, click on it. Once you click on resize image, then you have something like this. Click on percentage. Now click on this file type. Now click on PNG. Once you click on PNG, it's going to generate that video or that content or that picture for you in PNG. Click on this button to save this. Then let's make it picture number 2 this time around, or picture number 3. Then let's save it. Now that is saved as PNG on our device, and here we have them. We have it here as PNG format. We have this one as JPEG format. So that's all, guys, on how to save any image of your choice from PNG to JPEG or from JPEG to PNG. If you enjoyed this tip, if you want to subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.